We see that at St. Joseph Church, the youth group are gathered to discuss about a play. While the discussion takes place, Valencia receives a notification on her cell phone. As she checks it out, she finds out that her other friends from church are hosting a party. She feels like she wants to join them too, because from her point of view, she thinks she would become more popular and cool among that group. Next day, Steffi, the girl who hosted the party, previously invites Valencia to join them for shopping. Valencia seems excited to be included in their group and agrees to join them. Valencia leaves her bedroom and comes to the hall. Her parents are busy working books of their business. The mother asks Valencia for help in calculating the budget, but she seems least interested. She is totally engaged in her phone and completely ignores her parents, which is why her parents get really upset with her due to the changes in her recent behavior. At this point, her mom grabs away her cell phone and her parents have a heated argument with her. Valencia seems very angry. She notices her mom's bag nearby and finds a credit card in it. Her mom notices her taking the card and questions her about why she needs it. Valencia immediately responds to her saying that she needs it so that she can go out for shopping with her friends. Her mom reluctantly agrees to her, taking the card in frustration. Then Valencia leaves for shopping. Valencia goes to shopping with Steffi and her friends. While she's enjoying and having fun, she gets a call from Janelle. Valencia assumes that Janelle is calling her for the street play practice, so she ignores her call and puts her cell on silent and continues to have fun along with her friends. On her way back home, she notices that she has missed many calls from her parents. She rushes back home immediately and sees a seal outside her house. She finds out from her neighbor that her parents have been diagnosed with COVID and are hospitalized in a serious condition. Valencia is now very stressed. She is unable to meet her parents and is in a traumatic situation and confused because she is in need of financial support for treating her parents. She thinks of her popular church friends and rushes to meet them to seek help. Valencia comes to Steffi's house where she finds the whole group of friends there. She explains to them her situation and her problem. Hearing this, her friends step back in fear, assuming that she has the virus too. They directly refuse to help her. She requests them to support her in any way, but her friends ask her to leave. Valencia is now by herself, feeling hopeless while her parents are still at the hospital. It's been a while since she hasn't been active on social media. Her quarantine period too has ended. Her friends, Janelle and Cheryl, get worried and decide to check on her. They go to visit Valencia at her place. By now, Janelle and Cheryl get to know about Valencia's parents and her situation. They offer her emotional support and tell her that they would try to make some arrangements for her parents' treatment. After knowing Valencia's situation, her friends constantly keep in touch with her. They tell her that they have finally managed to make arrangements for the treatment. Valencia is now with her parents. From all the help and support received from her friends, she is now in a good state of mind, and her parents too have successfully recovered from the virus. Her friends then come to her house to visit her parents, and they all sit together having a good time. Valencia now realizes her mistake and apologizes to her parents and friends. They forgive her, and now everything seems to be all right.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार। जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो थी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ, सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात। बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं, सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।